I'm Mackenzie Frederick from Frederick Insurance here in Malta, New York. I've been in business for 3 years and I represent and sell State Farm Insurance. Today I'm going to go over how to shop your insurance. So here's 5 things that you should consider when you're looking around and comparing different quotes between companies. Number 1, coverage. Not all quotes are created equal. Make sure a licensed professional is explaining what each line of coverage means and fine-tuning that coverage amount to your specific situation. They can ask you a variety of questions and help you determine exactly what you need. Make sure you're not paying for anything you don't need, and have everything adjusted in the right way so that you're properly covered when a claim happens. State minimums are not recommended typically, and I would definitely question anyone who wants to save you money by chopping down the coverage from what you currently have. One size does not fit all here, and some companies can provide you with significantly more coverage for the same, if not a little bit more money, so it's worth really going over what the quotes entail in detail. The second main consideration is service. Be sure to ask how you can get in touch with your insurance company or the agency when you need them. Read Google reviews, see what other people have to say about their experience. Is there a local number that you can call and ask when you need somebody? Are you able to talk with a real person, or do you have to call a 1-800 number, wait on hold for a long period of time, and push a bunch of teleprompts to get what you need? That can be frustrating and often not get you the resolution that you're looking for. Can you stop by the office and chat, or do you have to do everything yourself online? That can be a big factor for people, especially if you're not well versed in insurance and don't really know what it is that you need or you're looking for. So when you're looking through the service factor of things, it really does make a difference to have local people that know you and care, they're accountable to you, and they're easily accessible when you need something. The third big factor is claims. So most people don't care about their insurance until they have a claim. This is the promise that we're selling, so you want to make sure that the company that you're insured with is able to deliver on that promise when you need it. Look into a company's financial strength. Make sure that they can pay even during widespread damages, so things like catastrophes when everybody's putting a claim in at the same time. And make sure that company is going to be around for the long run. This is especially important when you're shopping for life insurance policies. There's different websites you can use, like J.D. Power. There's a company called Vital Signs that will compare different providers and their financial ratings and strengths, so you're able to make that decision. And especially look into the customer satisfaction ratings. Ask the provider that you're getting a quote from what their claim process is like and how you can initiate a claim when that time comes. Again, having a local representative that you can easily contact and they can hold your hand through the process and be that liaison for you makes a huge difference when you're in that situation. Okay, the fourth thing to consider is price. Value is definitely more important than price, but we understand that budget is important to everybody, especially these days. Look for ways to bundle your policies together to maximize the discounts. Example, if you put your home, your auto, your life insurance, maybe your business insurance all together, you'll get the highest amount of savings typically with most companies. Ask about both government-sponsored discounts like New York State defensive driving courses, as well as company-specific discount programs. If you're working from home or if you have a vehicle that you only drive once in a while, make sure you ask about low annual mileage rating or possibly a withdrawn from use winter storage program. That'll help save you some money. If you have tickets or accidents on your record and you haven't had the best driving history, talk with the person and see what you can do to help this and get your rates back under control in the future. The fifth important thing to think about when you're shopping your insurance is convenience. Do you have a hard time keeping track of all the different websites, usernames, and passwords that you need and all the different days that your bills are due? I certainly do. So consider the convenience of having everything in one place with one provider, one local agency. A lot of places, there's an online account or an app that you can use to see everything all together, and they'll even draw one payment so you don't have a bunch of different scattered payments for each policy. Ask the company that you're getting a quote from if there's different ways you can customize when you pay. Is it monthly, twice a year, yearly? And are you able to pay in cash or check, or do you have to do everything online, or can you call in and pay by phone? That can be important to people, especially especially if you get paid in different durations or if you have variable cash flow. In addition to convenience, one important factor as well is community. So does the agency or the company you're buying your policy through, do they give back to where you live? Are they involved in the community? Do they support different charities and events going on? Might not be important to you, but it is a factor to consider. You're giving your money to support them, so a lot of people find it nice if they give back as well. So these are the main considerations when shopping around for your insurance. Here at Frederick Insurance, we do all of these things that we mentioned and more. Give us a call, 518-899-4734, or stop by our office in Malta. It's here in Parade Ground Village near the post office. We'll take a look at what you've got, answer any questions that you have, and if we're a great fit for you and it works out, we would love to be your local agent.